Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology Flotsam and I'm going to stamp with MXM057. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Flotsam. It's going to be my base color today. I'll be stamping with Maniology MXM057 and this one really reminds me of like Pacific Blue from Sally Hansen. It's got a stunning formula, one coater. Gotta get up there by the edge of the nail. There we go. Gotta get it. Get it. There we go. Kept my free edge here real quick. And I am gonna do just one coat. I know I'm normally a 2-coat girl, but this one just doesn't need it. It really doesn't. Get my cleanup brush out real quick. Blue is one of those that I like to kind of clean up real quick because it smears and gets all into my skin, and I think the sooner I get to it, the easier job I have cleaning it up. So there we go. A little bit more. Sorry the camera's wigging. I'm going to top it with I&M out the door. I'm going to get this to dry down and do some stamping for sure. Definitely wanted to use these polishes and the stamping plates before they got lost in my collection. There we go. I'm capping my free edge here. Oh, gotta get Woody out. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Gotta clean up my mess. And there's my swatch photo, all on its own. Maniology MXM057, my Maniology Monocle stamper and my beauty scraper. And here is Maniology Lost Gold. We're going to attempt to stamp with it. As you see later, I end up having to make some changes. Sometimes that happens when we get to playing. I could see the gold in real life, you know, face to face and all that, but it just wasn't popping. And you guys know if I'm going to put some nail art on my nails, I want to be able to see it. And I want others to be able to see it. So we're going to use part of this octopus image. I'm checking it out. I'm realizing real quick that, you know, this gold's really not showing up so good on the blue. But that's okay. You know, sometimes we have winter chicken dinners and sometimes we don't. So I'm just using different images all over this plate. This is a really cool plate. I mean, I have a lot of stamping plates with different nautical kind of themes, but this one leaned more towards the, you know, like mystical and pirate type theme, and I really like that. One more. Let's get this mermaid tail here. Really do like these plates though. I am hopping in with a piece of tape and cleaning up some excess that got on the stamper. I just don't want it to transfer to my nail and ruin my design. Alright, now I'm going to use Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer to go over all of the images again. Kind of offset them a little bit because the gold just wasn't popping good enough. And that's okay. I'm not disappointed. But I just want you to see what I do when I run into this situation. So here we go. Gotta line this ship up. Very cool. And I don't really know what this image is up here, but I liked it. You know, they don't come with great big description sheets explaining every single image, so it's just a pretty image. I really like it. There we go. I'm going to clean that off with some acetone real quick, because I got to get back here to my octopus. That would look really cool, like spread across like 2 or 3 nails or 4 nails or whatever. It's a really good one. Not that I'm like a huge fan of octopus or anything, but I do like the nautical manicures. Here we go with our north, south, east, west compass image. Gotta get some more images off this without pulling up the north, south, east, west. Gotta be real careful. There we go. Line that up good. Be careful. There we go. Alrighty, and now, we're going to do the little mermaid tail. Diving into the ocean, or the sea, or what have yous. And I got a tear on that stamper. Kind of saddens me. I'm going to clean this plate off with some pure acetone. Got to get some more acetone on that. And clean, clean, clean. Get it all clean. And I'm going to wipe it down with a paper towel. And here we go. We're going to hop in here with some tape and get off some of this excess stamping polish that ended up all over my skin. It's coming up wonderful. Loving it. I'm going to pop in real quick with my cleanup brush and do just the tiniest bit. Not hardly anything left. Cleaned up really good. And I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that is totally dry, then I will be topping it with Poshe today. And here we go. I'm going to seal this one in and call it finished. And I really do hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this manicure. And if you got this box, let me know what your thoughts were on it. Getting that free edge there real quick. Got to get Woody back out here to help me clean up just a little bit. Oh, making more of a mess. But there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.